The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
If you plan to go to Jamaica in the next few weeks, few months, there is now a new system. You have to go online under JAM COVID 19.MOH under the Ministry of Health. You have a JAM COVID-19. On that website, you will get an application for controlled re-entry to Jamaica. Now, the form is approximately 4 pages long. You need to have several things with you prior to filling out the form. When you go online, with you should be your passport, your TRN, your NIS. You must also know the address that you're going to in Jamaica. These are required information. Once you fill out the 4 pages, on the last page, there is also a voice note that you have to click on and make an attestation that you have read and agree to all the information and that they are true. Once that application is sent in, you get a confirmation email. The confirmation email says your application has been accepted, not approved. It then goes on to be approved, and that could take a while. So my suggestion is that before you purchase your ticket, go on the JAM COVID-19 MOH website and fill out the control re-entry application. Once you've done so and the application is approved, I will show you what the approval looks like. All right, hold a second. So the approval looks like that. But after you've been given the approval, you also need to go back online and get the authorization, which you have to show the airline. Do your due diligence. I know you want to go back to Jamaica, but please follow the instructions.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, Seriousskilla is here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now this video that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers, I listened to some of the things that this person had said, you see, and I find it interesting and informative. And the viewers and subscribers, I said to myself, maybe my viewers and subscribers would like to hear some of the things that this person have to say. You see me? Because, you know, this whole re-entry thing to Jamaica, you see me, is actually something that had been announced by the Prime Minister of Jamaica and the Minister of Health within the country of Jamaica. You see me? And I'm talking about the Prime Minister of Jamaica, who is Mr. Andrew Holness, and the Minister of Health, who is Mr. Christopher Tufton. You understand? But anyways, so just in case if any of my viewers and subscribers don't know about this whole re-entry thing that you have to sign up online or so on, well, at least by listening to this video, you might have an idea. You see me? And because of the whole COVID-19 pandemic, you see, steps have been taken for persons who are traveling not only to Jamaica but in other places in the world as well, like many places throughout the world. I can't say everywhere in the world because I do not know for a fact, you understand, but I can say many places in the world because, you know, I saw news reports out there about some of the things that persons might have to do if they are planning to travel to those countries, isn't it? it seems as if this is something that we might have to do for the next few months or maybe more than months. Who knows, you see me? I only hope that this thing is just temporarily, you see me? Yeah, because, you know, I hope that the COVID-19 will just go away, you see me? Yeah, this COVID-19 thing really affected the whole world. Trust me. Alright, so big up and respect to each and every one, and let me know what you think about some of the things that this person has said in this video. Alright, and I hope that this video was informative. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, my viewers and subscribers, is going to show a person talking about Jamaica, like the country Jamaica, and the Jamaicans, you see me? Let me say it this way. This person is talking about the system of Jamaica, or within Jamaica, and how Jamaicans survive. You see what I'm saying to you? And some of the things that this person had said, I think it makes sense. You see me? I said some of the things, I can't say everything. You get what I'm saying to you? But however, this video is out on social media and it's been talked about on social media, and you know, some comments had been made about this video on social media, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons agreed with some of the things that this person had said, you know, and some of the comments gave me the understanding that some persons did not agree with some of the things that this person had said. Is what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and you know, I'm just presenting this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look and listen to some of the things that this person had said, and you can also tell me if you agree or you do not agree with some of the things that this person has said, or if some of the things that this person has said, if you think it makes sense or so on, isn't it? Yeah, this video is going to show of this person talking about Jamaica and Jamaicans, and you know, this person also went on to talk about other things as well. Alright, now I'm going to present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright, take a look, listen and observe.
If you get a loan, you get a car for $5 million, you get it same day, within 2 hours, you get a loan, $5 million. If you buy a car, if you drive up and down, you have a crash on the road. But if you want a loan to start a business in Jamaica, it is next to impossible. The amount of thing, if you want $2 million to start a business, it is next to impossible. It take all 3 months, 5 months, 6 months. If you get $2 million to borrow in Jamaica to start a business. You understand? But yet still, Jamaica has the most entrepreneurs in the entire Caribbean. You didn't know that? You didn't know that? Jamaica have the most entrepreneurs in the entire Caribbean. What do you mean? I watch my business video and them say Jamaica the #1 Caribbean country for the business. You didn't know? You didn't know that? And yet still, we cannot get a business loan in another country, but you can get a car loan like so. You cannot get a house to buy in Jamaica. If you want a house, you can pay rent. You're going to pay rent till you're dead. Because when you got NHT will give you $5 million or $4.5 million. NHT will give you for your loan, for buy a house. NHT will give you $4.5 million for your house. And when NHT build the housing scheme them, the cheapest house them will sell right now at $12 million. The cheapest house where them will sell right now after NHT build the house them at $12 million. Are the cheapest house them are build, and them are the most them are give you a $5 million. So all if you join up, all if you and your woman, or you set some woman, you join up with your woman before you're married, and the two want to join up, and she take $5 million, and you take $5 million, a $10 million loan, you still can't buy the house. You still cannot buy the house because you still have to go find $2 million, plus you have to find a down payment, so you still have to go find about $3 million to put on the money to buy the house. Where you are going to get it from? See, somebody has a $12.6 million. So the system set up, and NHT is supposed to do it for poor people buy house. But yet still the house where they want to build for poor people is out of poor people's reach. Not to mention Gore development, them and Wiccan, them we have build the skyscraper apartment, them will be people are foreigner buy and Sagicora buy them out and them something. You see everybody around go dive in for Airbnb. Them house they are $20 million for them 1-bedroom apartment there. $20 million. For them 1-bedroom apartment, them build some big level skyscraper with all 400 bedroom, and people they are so in a ghetto after you live 20, somebody after you live in a 1 room. Your baby after you sleep in a Chester drawer. Because we cannot, the system in a Jamaica set up so, but irrespective of the fact that the system is set like that in Jamaica, we still persevere. We still fight to go through. We don't have government housing, we don't have government subsidies. Student loan, you have to tell lies, you pit toilet, you do in to get a student loan in Jamaica. When you have to fill out student loan form, them ask you some ridiculous question to get the student loan to go to university. But we sex and we still fight it. When you can't pay the student loan, then post it on Instagram, on Facebook, in a newspaper. You got to carry about the woman to go watch TV, and you see your face put up on student loan screen, say, yo, you not pay your student loan. To embarrass you. Just because you try to seek education, just because you come from a poor family, and when you don't get the education, you get a work where you cannot afford to pay a student loan. Because you get a loan, we have a work where you pay 25,000 a week, and student loan want 33,000 a month. Oh, you have to pay back your student loan with that. But yet still, we as Jamaicans, we persevere and we push through and we still educate ourselves. We still reason intelligently. When we set so and get a visa and we go in a country and we run off and we marry somebody and get the papers and repairs them file for when we go to America, the work them when uno decide say uno nah do because uno as American jump up and say uno too good to work in a hotel for go clean people, for go clean up people room and to spread them bed. Uno too good for that. So the hotel industry over there so a force to seek outside or external people to come in to come clean the hotel room them. Them force to wash plate America. Uno as American, uno no want to wash that. Uno decide say uno now work for $10 an hour because $10 an hour too little bit. Uno rather sit down on our yard because I want the government to go on unemployment. So because of uno dependence upon the government feel like them can rule uno and take uno for idiot because uno is too dependent upon the government.
Alright, so you see what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers, this person break it down, explaining a lot about the system of Jamaica. You see me? He's explaining in his words as to how he look at it. You see me? As to how he think about it. Or, how we see things happening in Jamaica. You see me? And he also talk about Jamaicans as well. You see me? Yeah. And, I think that some of the things that this person had said makes sense. You see me? Again, I can't say everything, but some of the things. Alright? Well, anyways, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about the two videos that I just presented to you, my viewers and subscribers. Alright? Alright, so until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey, yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.